Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to do an experiment. It's called Magic Milk. I got the idea off of Pinterest and I will link to that blog down below. But we're gonna do an experiment because we just read No Moon, No Milk, the book. And so we're doing a science experiment as an extension activity to that literacy activity. All right, so in front of me, I'm gonna be providing aided language input during the experiment on the Lamp Words for Life app on an iPad. Words that we are going to focus on will be it, look, that. We'll be doing pour, which is a cooking verb under turn. We'll be talking about our colors today. We will be talking about describing, so if it looks the same, if something different is happening. We'll also be using a lot of comments, so aside from the look to draw attention to, we may be talking about if it's awesome, what's happening, as long as everything works, right? Sometimes things do not work, and that's okay. What do you want to say, buddy?
The dino.
If you follow me, you know my son has an obsession with dinosaurs.
Stegosaurus.
Oh, Stegosaurus. So anytime that would happen, you just let them talk. Stegosaurus? Yes, you like Stegosauruses. All right, we're going to go back to our activity now, okay? Oh, I know. So our materials that we have are milk, which is going to be a dairy it is going to be a drink. My bad. And I'm still not hitting the right one. Hold on, buddy.
And,
We have milk. We have just regular Dawn.
Oh.
You wanted to tell me about another animal?
Dino.
You want another dino?
So,
All right, you can tell me about dino once I'm done here. Soap, and then we have food coloring. You want liquid, not gel, according to the blog post. So we have red. We have blue, green, and yellow. And then the last material that you need are Q-tips. Go ahead and tell me, what dinosaur do you want to say?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. You love dinosaurs. All right, Q-tip I know is probably not in here, so I'm just going to spell it. So we're going to have a Q-tip, and that's going to spell
Q-tip.
Q-tip for us. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to pour milk into our 13 by 9 pans. I forgot about that one. You're going to just have 13 by 9 or whatever kind of pan you can have. And then you're just going to put a little or shallow amount of milk inside. All right, do you want to tell me when to go?
Yeah.
All right. What do you say?
Go.
Go! I heard you. You told me to go. All right, we're going to pour a little bit in. And you just want it to cover the bottom of the pan. There we go. Look. What's in your pan? Milk. I wonder what will happen. Okay. Sophie, would you like some milk? So again, just a small layer to where it covers the entire bottom of the pan. Okay, we have our milk. Do you guys want to take a guess at what we do next?
Yeah, done. Next.
You think it's done. It's not. Next, we are going to put in our food coloring. And you guys can put all of the colors in, okay? You're just going to make dots all over the white milk, okay? And make them kind of far apart. All right. So we open the cap, and you're going to pour in some food coloring. And what color do you have, Luke?
What?
What color is that?
Blue.
Blue, good job. We're gonna squeeze it. Squeeze, there you go. You got it, buddy. All right, let's go over here and do some. And then we're gonna stop, Luke.
Stop.
And let's get a different color. All right, what different color would you like?
A green one.
You want green.
Green.
All right, do some squeezing. Good job. Sophie, you're doing fabulous. You guys, it looks
Awesome.
awesome. All right, Luke, let's stop with the green. Good job squeezing. And I like how you are
Oh, yellow.
listening. You want yellow now?
Want.
You want to put some in?
Put. That.
Yeah, that is yellow.
Now that.
There we go. There's Sophia's.
That looks like a heart.
It does. All right, so we've got some big drops going in because I am letting them do it. You may want them to be just a little bit, where's my drink?
I want red.
Smaller. All right, just small ones, okay?
I'll put the caps on.
There, one small one. Oh. Uh-oh. Did we have an accident? We can say,
Uh-oh. Oh.
uh-oh, that's right. Uh-oh. All right. So our platters are ready. Now, Sophia, the next step is the soap. So what we are going to do,
What?
we are going to take our Q-tips. We're going to put
Put.
them in the Dawn. And we're going to get the whole tip covered in Dawn. Let's get a little bit more, okay, buddy?
More.
There you go. I like how you are moving it around to get it covered. Good job. So we have it in Dawn, and then you're going to put it into the milk and hold it there and wait.
Wait.
Okay, keep it there and wait. Look.
Look.
Look at that.
That. A green.
Yes, we do see
See.
lots of green. It's spreading
Out.
out, isn't it? It looks
Look.
like an abstract painting. Let's get a different one, okay? A different one. I don't know if it makes a difference, but we're gonna do a different one. All right, how about you hold it there?
There.
There, in that corner. Yep. So whenever you hold it into different corners,
Different.
then don't swirl it, just hold it, and it will do the work.
It's the orange.
You're starting to see orange because your yellow and red are mixing.
A yellow. A green. Look at that.
They're mixing together and we're seeing different colors.
Different.
It looks like a painting, doesn't it? You guys could make an abstract painting.
Can we drink it?
Probably not that great of an idea.
Well,
I don't know.
not.
Just because you put soap in it. Do we usually drink soap?
No.
No.
Bubbles. No. We have soap.
We don't usually do it on purpose, though, do we? All right. What do you think, Luke? Was that? I'm going to go to my
That's turning brown and I dropped a Q-tip.
turn.
Can I put my finger in and get a Q-tip?
Was that cool?
I dropped a Q-tip.
That's okay. We'll get it out here in a second, okay? We'll get some tongs. Daddy can help us. All right. Oh, now we're swirling it, aren't we? Okay, so the science behind this is that milk is made up of proteins and fats. And so what you're seeing when you put the soap in, you're seeing those fats kind of expand and explode.
I
And the coloring lets us see that.
See? There's.
Yeah.
Mine's starting to turn to a dark color.
It is starting to turn into a super dark color with all those. The blue and the green and the red going together, isn't it? All right.
Sun.
Yeah. Oh, the sun. Oh, were you wanting to say this looks like the sun?
Look. Like.
It does look like, we're going to go to sky.
No, no. It looks like brown now, like
Space.
a cookie or something.
Sun. It looks like the sun there. The
It
sunset.
looks like a cookie.
Yours looks like dirt. Or a cookie.
Cookie.
What kind of cookie? Chocolate chip?
Yeah, chocolate chip because they're a little dark sometimes when they get burned.
Yeah, and you do have dark spots. What do you think yours looks like?
Milk cookie.
A milk cookie?
Mm-hmm.
So it's a milk
Cookie.
cookie.
And milk muffin. I want to put some more milk in.
Your favorite food. We can do this again for sure. We can do more magic milk experiments and do different colors and then see what it ends up like. All right, so do you guys like this activity?
Yeah.
What did you think, Luke? Did you like it?
Like.
Or did you not like it?
Not.
You did not?
Not.
You thought it was bad?
Bad.
You liked it? Thought it was good? Do you want to change your mind? Oh no, you just want to tell me something different.
Velociraptor.
Another favorite dinosaur. Thank you for telling me about that. All right, so there's our experiment for today. Magic milk using lamp words for life. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment, subscribe, and like below. Thanks for watching.